Roger. Roger.
Are you rocking your baby?
Uh-oh.
What happened? Victoria. She's being very maternal right now this afternoon. May 30th, I think, 2010.
Oh, baby, get back. Baby, get back. Get back.
We just found her,
Oh, baby, get
one of her
back.
babies today that had been missing for a while. So she was glad to relocate and be reunited with her baby. Can you find the baby that was missing that we found today? Show Mimi where your babies are. Are they all night-night?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I tore it.
You tore it? Let me see. It's okay. It's okay.
Hi, baby girl.
Baby. Tori. Yeah, that's a loud noise. Are babies all asleep?
Yeah.
They are?
Uh-oh, baby. Your best? No. Roger, baby. Teacher. No babies. Uh-oh. Tower. Tower Joe. Baby, don't make noise. Don't make noise.
Hey, where's your other baby? Is she awake? I think she's awake and she's saying she's hungry.
It's baby.
You gonna feed her some food over here? Feed her some food in your kitchen? Yeah. Let me see you do that again. Victoria, turn around. Say, show me eat.
Eat. Uh-oh. No, baby.
Is Tori hungry?
Yeah.
She is? What would you like to eat? Do you want to get some pizza?
Take.
You had some chicken nuggets a while ago, some soy chicken. Are you hungry again? Show me how you sign eat. How do you do the sign?
Eat.
And say more? How do you do more?
Uh-oh.
Show Mimi how you do more.
More.
More. And how do you say water?
Roger.
Water. And how do you say milk?
More.
Show Mimi. Milk? Okay. We're going to go find Papa so we can go get some real food, okay? Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, ladybug.
Bye, ladybug.
Where is Mimi's ladybug?
Right here.
Where's her other ladybug? Victoria's her other ladybug. That's right. Bye.
Bye.
Can you blow Mimi a kiss? I love you.